Smart Singers, April Molina here with your quick tip for the day, and your quick tip is about kindness, being kind to you. Have you ever heard birds that are chirping, saying, I am a terrible chirper, I should just zip my lip? Or monkeys making sounds, judging their sounds? No. We are made to make sounds. Why are we judging ourselves so harshly? It's more important to find out the interesting sounds that we make and then create a library of those sounds so that we can use them in the future rather than getting in our head, judging ourselves so harshly, and just completely stopping the creative process altogether. A big part of the creative process is discovering who you are, what weird sounds you have in you, and what you have to offer to the world. That is what is going to make you fascinating, interesting, and set you apart from other people. Being a unique person. Remember, birds are not upset at themselves. They don't say we are tone deaf. Be kind to yourself. For more information, check out smartsinging.com. I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye.